So anyways, what I was saying is when you look at your dill analyzer, when you go, Luther, to go look at your dill analyzer, you're going to be looking at the current price, the column on the info page, the current price. What is the price per square foot that you're being charged currently? All right, that you're getting from people. And then on the after updates column, you're going to look at what the price per square foot is for the competition.
Okay.
All right. What is the difference in those prices? Right. What is the difference? Okay. So I think I can't remember what the numbers were, but it was like probably 52 cents a square foot for yours, what it is now, and like 79 cents a square foot for like what it could be.
Yeah. All so right. I'm showing 42 all the way across.
Okay. Okay, so then that means that if you do not have a number changed in that after updates column, that means that you did not change that based on what the competition charges. What does the competition charge versus what you charge? Are you guys exactly the same price on everything in that town for those two facilities?
No, it shouldn't be. And it, like, the weird thing is I have it filled out right here, but I must have done something wrong.
Okay. So basically what you need to do is change that price per square foot to the right number under the after updates spreadsheet.
Gotcha.
Okay. So now the question is, so actually I'm going to ask you, what does the competition charge for a 10 by 10 versus what you charge? What yours is charging? Do you know the difference?
Yeah, let me pull up. I have the competition on the sheet here, but let me get the list that I sent him that he gave me back. 1 second.
Yeah, so let's look at what's the difference in the 10 by 10, yours and theirs. You only have one other competitor. This is easy, right?
Right. I've so many. It's like that. I'm trying to like go over. So on a 10 by 10 for non-climate, he's charging 60. Econo is, and the Grand Bay is charging 69.
Okay. All right. So now you have 69 cents a square foot and 60 cents a square foot, right? So you can change that number. Let's just change that number in the after updates column to 69 cents. Instead of 42 cents, it's 69 cents.
Okay. All
right. Now, how does the valuation change? In that column.
So it just changed a lot.
Okay, so, good. What's the value?
So on the current tab, it's like you said, around 500,000. The after updates is now at 1,043,000.
Okay, so let's look at that, because it's 153 units at 17,000 square feet. This is in the after updates column. You have 153 units at 17,000 square feet at 69 cents a square foot at 8% vacancy, right? Those are the four things you should have filled out.
Yep.
Okay, and so that changed the valuation to over $1 million?
Yes.
Okay, there you go. Now you're talking.
Oh,
well, 153 units should really be valued at like almost up to $1.5 million.
Yeah, because I know me and you have talked about that before. Because I knew 100 units is around $1 million usually. I mean,
yes,
especially if they're ran good. If the facility,
if it's an income producing property that's 92% full, 100 units is almost $1 million. It's almost valued at $1 million right now.
So I see what you're saying as far as like, all right, so then you raise them, your rate, and you just manage it correctly too. I mean, it has.
As soon as you buy that facility, you're going to raise the rates to 69 cents a square foot. Let's just, on average, 69 cents a square foot. Okay. Now you're going to take, you'll take the other ones and you'll average, like a 5 by 10 is going to be this much, a 10 by 10 is this much, and a 10 by 20 is this much. What's actually the average, of all of those together, right? But I think honestly, you should be right around 69. As I said, 69 cents a square foot sounds like a good price per square foot for me. So, it's like a typical price per square foot. I mean, that's what the competitors are charging. If the competitors are charging that, why can't you charge that?